Hello, my name's Leo Woods. I'm Head of English for Academic Purposes at Edinburgh Napier University. I just want to tell you a little bit about in-sessional English language support. In-sessional English language support is available for all international students whose first language isn't English. The idea with the in-sessional support is that we help you improve your academic English and also help you get used to studying in a UK university. We offer two things. The first thing we offer are writing workshops. The second thing we offer are one-to-one sessions. There's one very important bit of information that you have to take away from the video today, and that is this. Book early. So our one-to-one sessions are very, very popular, and if you don't book early, you may not get a slot, especially about times when you have to hand in assignments. They are very popular times and you might not get a one-to-one. So remember, if there's one thing you have to take away today, it is book early. I'm going to tell you a little bit about writing workshops now. Writing workshops run several times a week. And the topic is repeated at each workshop. So it means that, for example, if you can't come to a workshop on Tuesday, for example, you can always come to the workshop on Friday. In writing workshops, we cover several things, several aspects of academic English writing. So, for example, we talk about academic style, we talk about ways of linking ideas in your writing. We talk about ways of organizing your writing so that it's more coherent. We talk about different functions of writing, such as classifying or defining or cause and effect. And we also look at good scholarship and referencing and how to avoid things like plagiarism, because plagiarism is a big issue. The writing workshops are 2 hours in length. The first hour is usually some kind of point that is taught about writing or writing style or language used in writing. So this is taught by the teacher. There's usually a presentation about it. You do exercises with your classmates, etc. The second hour is a chance for you to practice your academic English writing. And you have the option of doing an exercise set by the teacher, or perhaps you could work on your own writing and get some feedback from the tutor. To enroll on the writing workshops, you should just email us. The email address is on the screen now. I'm now going to talk a little bit about one-to-one sessions. One-to-one sessions are 30-minute sessions where you can bring work along to discuss it with one of our EAP tutors. Students like to bring written work along, but also you can bring presentations along or any other work that you are producing in English for university. To book the sessions, you should email EAP inquiries, so the address is on the screen just now. But remember, as I said at the start, book early. These sessions are very popular, particularly around the times in the trimester when assignments are due. We recommend that students book a session in the planning stage of an assignment, so quite early in the trimester, and then maybe booking another session a week or two before the assignment is due to be handed in. Then we can kind of help you with the planning and then give you some advice before you have to hand in your assignment. If you need to find out information about in-sessional support, you should look at the My Napier website. If you go to My Napier and you go to the page for international students, if you then scroll down the page, you'll see this banner which says In-Sessional English Language Support. If you click on here, it brings you to our page. On our page, you'll find information such as the timetable, and you can also find the link to our Moodle site here. On our Moodle site, you'll find lots of useful hints, information, exercises, etc. that can help you with your academic English. So that's it. That's in-sessional support. Please use our services. We're here to help you. Students that use our services tend to get better marks in their assignments. And also remember, book early. Our one-to-ones are really popular, so please book early to avoid disappointment. And remember, use the email address on the screen now to book your one-to-ones and also to enroll on our writing workshops. I really look forward to seeing you sometime at an in-sessional support session. Bye for now.